Hello and welcome back to AI Script to Screen with Quint Bower. Each week we explore how AI is reshaping storytelling, production, and how ideas move from script to screen. Today we're looking at what happens when AI enters the hospital. Imagine a radiology department late at night. A machine scans hundreds, if not thousands, of chest X-rays in the time it would take a human doctor to examine just one. Shadows that could be cancerous are flagged instantly. Potentially, lives are saved. That's the promise of AI in hospitals. Diagnosis at speed, accuracy at scale. But here's the tension. A hospital isn't a factory line. Patients aren't data points. And if we confuse efficiency with care, something vital is lost. AI can certainly make hospitals faster. The danger is, it makes them colder. AI thrives on patterns. With enough data, it sees things humans can't. Microfractures, faint lesions, statistical risks invisible to the eye. This makes it a powerful ally in diagnostics. The World Health Organization estimates we'll be short nearly 15 million healthcare workers by 2030. In that context, AI isn't just desirable, it may be necessary. Faster diagnosis can mean earlier treatment. Earlier treatment often means better outcomes. At Cinema, we've helped to explain these innovations for hospitals and medical companies. Through animation and storytelling, we've seen how trust is built when technology is demystified. It isn't enough for a hospital to say, the AI will decide. Patients and staff need to understand what that means. But efficiency has limits. I think of a client in my practice who once described being hospitalized. What stayed with her wasn't the diagnosis itself. It was the nurse who held her hand while she cried. For her, that small human act mattered more than any test result. This is what AI can never provide. It can give us data, but not comfort. It can generate insight, but not reassurance. The danger isn't that machines will be wrong. It's that they'll be right and still leave patients feeling unseen. Convenience isn't the same as care. A recent study in the United States trialed AI systems for breast cancer screening. The technology outperformed many radiologists. But when patients were told their results by a rush doctor, one who simply said, "The computer flagged this as suspicious," the women didn't feel reassured. They felt dismissed. The machine had done its job, but the human part of care had failed. The diagnosis was faster, but the experience was colder. This is the paradox at the heart of AI in hospitals. These decisions are already happening in hospital boards and government departments. Get them right, and AI could help millions. Get them wrong, and we risk hollowing out healthcare until it becomes all process and no presence. The most realistic future is hybrid. Let machines process, analyze, and predict. Let humans listen, explain, and connect. From my vantage point in psychotherapy, in my work in cinema, and in sectors like finance and technology where AI has already taken hold, the lesson is always the same. Innovation is seductive. But progress only comes when we insist that technology serves people, not the other way around. The future of hospitals isn't human or machine. It's hybrid. You've been listening to Shrink by Quint. I'm Quint Bower, psychotherapist, consultant, and director of Cinema, where we specialize in AI and animation for the medical sector. And this episode is part of my mini-series on AI in healthcare. For companion articles and more reflections, visit quintbower.com. Thanks for joining me.